I came home one day. My wife was walking down the driveway, clearly upset. Now, I'm highly trained in reading nonverbal communications. I could tell she was upset. She had my daughter by the arm going, I do not like them, Ray, I am. I do not like them in my hair. I do not like them anywhere. Now, I picked up on this training. I said, honey, are you upset? She said, yes. It's Sarah. Whew. I was relieved it wasn't me. I didn't want to do something wrong while I was gone. A few minutes later, we're talking. Sarah comes down. Mom, what do you want me to do now? Well, Sarah, I'd like you to finish sweeping out the garage. After that, you're going to vacuum the living room. I asked my wife, Randy, what's going on? I gave Sarah an hour worth of labor. Why? What'd she do? She rolled her eyes at me. Rolling your eyes at your mother is worth an hour's worth of labor? Is that because rolling your eyes is so terrible? No. It's because your mother is so valuable. Rolling eyes is an incredible sign of disrespect. Think about it. You tell something to me, and I look at you, because I disagree with what you said, I do this. Now, how long would I stay your friend if I did that to you? Rolling eyes is a very disrespectful thing to do. It's not verbal. It's not throwing bricks. But it's demeaning. And it's amazing how often we parents accept that. Oh, yeah, right, Mom. Treat rolling eyes as a sign of disrespect. Because really, that's what it is. Are you listening to me?